guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you how to make a basic clicker game in Roblox Studio. So let's get right into it. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Let's go. So first, you're going to want to insert a screen GUI and a starter GUI. And then rename it to whatever, but I'm going to rename it to main UI. And then add a frame, rename it to main. Background transparency 1, anchor point, just put 0.5 and it will auto set. And then position, do the same thing. And then the size, put 1 because it will also auto set, which is cool feature. And then you can add a text or image button. I'm just gonna do an image button because this is gonna be our clicker button. And the size, 0.2, and then size constraint, relative YY, and position on the X, put 0.5, and then same for the anchor point, 0.5, and then for the anchor point, put the Y as 0.9, and then for the position, make it also 0.95 actually. Yeah, 0.95. So now we have a cool little clicker button. So now we need leader stats. So insert a script in the server script service. I'm just gonna rename it to leader stats, but you can rename it to whatever. And then type local players equals game get service players, actually. No, not wait for child. Get service players. Players dot player added connect function plur local leader stats equals instance dot new folder leader stats dot name equals leader stats dot parent equals plur local cache equals instance dot new int value. Actually make this number value instead so it can go into like 1.5, 2.5 or whatever. So cache dot parent equals leader stats, cache dot name equals cache, and then cache dot value equals 0. And then in the starter GUI, inside of the main, actually inside of this screen GUI, you're gonna want to add a local script. Rename this to handler, and then type local, but actually before the local button, add local main equals script.parent.main, and then local button equals main, not mask, main dot clicker button. And now local function on click, and then also we need to get the player, so local player equals game.players.local player. Local leader stats equals player.leader stat, not load build, leader stats. And then local cache equals leader stats dot cache. And local function on click, and then button tween size 0.21, 0.21, 0. So what I'm doing is every time we click the button, it will tween the size, so it will get bigger by 0.01. And then cache.value plus equals 1. And then button dot activated connect on click. So now when we play, as you can see, cache, and when we click, oh, whoops. I thought there was something wrong. So copy that udm2.new and paste it there. And then comma out, comma sign, comma 0.1. So now it will work. So now when we click it, wait, let me just make it like, wait, let me make this 5, not 1, because we can barely see 1. Oh, jeez. Hold on, we have to fix the clicker button. So the anchor point has to be all 0.5. And then the position, the X, 0.83. Wait, 0.85? Yeah, 0.85. And now, instead of, so make it 2, 1. So let's see if that looks good. Yeah, it looks good. And then task.wait 0.1. And then copy this and then set the size back to normal. So now when we click it, it will make an animation, as you can see. So now I'm gonna add like a shop. So add a frame, a shop for like multipliers. So add a frame into the main, rename it to shop. And I'm actually gonna rename it to shop frame instead. And then position 0.5, anchor point 0.5. And then the size, make the X 0.4 and the Y 0.6. So it has like a good even size for a shop. And then you can decorate this frame however you like. So I'm gonna add a UI corner, UI stroke, and a UI gradient. And then make it a bit darker there, and then add a bit of rotation. Like that, that's good. And then I'm gonna make that 3. And UI corner 0.05. As you can see, that looks pretty good. And then I'm just gonna real quick add a UI stroke into the clicker button and duplicate the UI corner, put that in, UI stroke, apply stroke mode border, and then I'm just decorating the clicker button a bit. You don't have to do this if you have an image button. I'm just doing it because I have the text button. And then you can color both of these. I'm just gonna make them like that color. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And then inside of the shop frame, I'm gonna add a text label. Rename this to title. And then size X. The X is 1,0 and the Y is 0.15, 0. And background transparency 1. And then you can decorate the title however you want. So I'm gonna do what I like and do this, and then shop, and then add a folder, rename this to shops, and then add a scrolling frame into the shop frame, So scrolling frame, multipliers, and so we're making a shop so we can upgrade how much each click will do. So position x 0.5, and then the anchor point x 0.5, and then size x 0.95, and then the y I'm gonna do 0.75. So we have enough room for buttons, so we can switch what shop we want. So for the position, make the y 0.15. Yeah, like that. And then make the background transparency 1. And now add a UI grid layout and another frame, and then rename template to frame. Rename template to frame, and then you can decorate this. You can decorate the template, and then first you're gonna want to add UI padding also. UI padding, and then make the offset 5 for all of them. So if you add a UI corner, it won't look like bad, or I mean UI stroke. So as you can see, you can actually see it, because if it's 0, then it will be cut out. So make the offset 5. And then add an image label into the template. And then make the size x, make the x 1, and then the y 0.9, 0.85, and then set the scale type to crop. So when you put an image, it won't look like the weird and stuff. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to put a random image. I'm going to put a random image, like this one, for example. As you can see, it won't stretch, as you can see. And if I put it as stretch, well, that's not really a good example. Yeah, fit, I mean, make it fit. So I'm gonna remove that image. And then you can put it as anything for like the multiplier image. So I'm gonna rename this to icon. And then add a text label. Rename this to title. And then make the size x 1,0 and then the y 0.1,0. And then make the position the y 0.85. So it will match right there. And then one for the background transparency, and then you can decorate this however you want again. So loading, I'm just gonna put it as loading, like that. So white, as you can see, loading. And now we can add, and now in the handler script, we can, so add, so local multiplier equals, first we need a shop frame. Local shop equals main dot shop frame, and then local multiplier or title, I'm just gonna rename this to title, equals shop hold on. So move the template into the handler and move the multipliers scrolling frame into shops. And then add a table, so local shops equals table, square brackets, and then multiplier shop equals, and then local shop folder equals this is supposed to go under the shop, so local shop folder equals shop.shops. So local shops equals square brackets, multiplier shop equals shop folder dot multipliers. And then you're gonna add a comma, so this is gonna be where all the different shops are. So add a local function called local function update multipliers. And then actually you can just rename this to upgrades. Upgrades. And then local template equals script.template. Local title. And then also we need a name variable in the brackets. So name, if name equals multiplier. Then we will do a for loop. So for, I'm just gonna rename this to mults equals 1, comma, and then shops folder get children do, and then we do local mult equals, hold on, hashtag shop folder. Now we need replicated storage, so replicated storage equals game get service replicated storage. And then in replicated storage add a folder, and then add a folder inside the folder, and then rename the second folder to multipliers, and then the first one to upgrades. And then add a number value inside of the multipliers, and then rename this to 1. And then this is going to be the first upgrade. So duplicate that, put it in 1, and then rename it to be cost. And then the cost for the first one is gonna be 15, and then the multiplier is gonna be 0.5. So 0.5. So now that we have that, now we need local upgrades equals replicated storage wafer child upgrades, and then local multipliers. Hold on, is that already taken? No. Okay. So local multipliers equals upgrades wafer child multipliers. So now, instead of shop folder, it's gonna be multipliers get children do, and then mults, and then multipliers find first child mults. And now we can do local new template equals template clone new template dot parent equals shops dot multiplier shop new template dot name equals mults, not multipliers, mults. New template dot and then title dot text equals $sign dot mults mult dot cost dot value, then dot comma in the text thing, and then x and dot mult dot value, then cache dot weight none. So now when we and I almost forgot. So bring the template back out and put it back into shop frame. And then put template, add a text button, rename this to buy, background transparency 1, and text nothing. And then the size is 1,0,1,0, and I'm just gonna fix the UI grid real quick. Because if we go into device, as you can see, it's not scaled. So 0.1, wait no, 0.2, yeah 0.2, which makes it 106, and then into Y 0.15, nope. 0.13. No, wait. 0.14. 0.14. Nope. 0.145. Almost. 0.146. Yeah, 0.41, not 146. So now in the handler, we can put this back into the handler, and the multipliers back into shops, and then we will new template dot by dot activated connect function, which we need that N for right there, and then we will check if mults dot cost dot value. Hold on, do we have? Yeah, we have cache. Is greater or equal to cache dot value. Then we will cache dot value minus equals mults dot cost dot value. And then we will, hold on, we need a multipliers, local multipliers value. Now in the leaderstats, copy the cache, rename the cache to multipliers, paste it over here, and instead of the parent being leaderstats, it will be the player. And then yeah. Player dot multipliers. And then multipliers dot value plus equals, and then mult dot value. And now we will do, and now I'm gonna make a text display. So inside the main, add a text label and rename it to cache display. And then the size, the X is gonna be 0.2, Y 0.1, position Y 0.5, and then same for the anchor point, like that. Position X 0.01. And then you can decorate this however. I'm just gonna keep it simple though. And then loading, and then UI stroke 3, and then text X alignment left, and then add another local function new value, and we also need, no, not there, local display equals main dot cache display. Display dot text equals cache dot value, and then you can copy and paste. Wait, no. And then display.text equals $.cache.value. Copy paste that and paste it anywhere above. I'm gonna put it right here. And now we need this upgrades to do something. So now in the shop frame, add another frame and rename this to buttons, and make the size on the X 1,0, and then on the Y 0.15, and then the position Y 0.85. Yeah, 0.85. And fix the multipliers size by decreasing this by 0.5. So it looks like that. Now the buttons, make the background transparency 1 and UI grid. And add a frame and rename this to multipliers. And then in the UI grid layout, cell size X 0.1, and then on the Y, make that 1,0. So it's too big on the X, so 0.09. Nope. 0.098. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so now you can decorate this multipliers button however you want. Also, it's supposed to be a text button or an image button. Any type of button. I'm just gonna make it an image button. And multipliers. And UI and copy those, put there. So it looks a bit better. I'm gonna make this a bit better, like that. And now you can change the image to whatever. I'm just gonna get one off of Toolbox. So multipliers. I'm gonna do this one. Just like this. And then X out of that. Nope, that's not right. Bang. Okay, there we go. Alright, so now we have, and now I'm just gonna change the background transparency to black and 0.5. Wait, no, don't do that. I'm gonna change it to like a darker blue, like that. And you can duplicate that however many times you want. I'm just gonna keep it at 1. And then, now we need local buttons equals main. Oh wait, no, don't put that there. Put it under shops. Put it under shop. Equals shop dot buttons. And now local multiplier button equals buttons dot multipliers, and then at the bottom multipliers dot multiplier button dot activated connect, and then connect upgrades. And now, oh wait, no, don't do it like that. Do connect function and then upgrades multipliers, and then shops dot multiplier shop dot, and then shops dot multiplier shop dot parent equals shop. So now when we click that, it should pop up. Wait, click that. What? Hold on. Oh wait, multiplier, not multipliers. Whoops. Make sure it's correct. Yeah, there we go. There we go, it looks good. As you can see. And now we have to do, and and then cache dot changed connect function, and then new value. And that should be it. So now I'm just gonna duplicate the multipliers so I can show you that it works with any 1.5 and then 1 and then cost 50, cost 75. So now when we press play and press the button, as you can see, it works. And then we have to get to 15 for this to work. But if molts, whoops. It's supposed to be molt, not molts. Molt. Now when we do it, it should work. What? Oh my god. I forgot to change that one too. It's supposed to be molt. So now when we get to 15 and click this, what? Oh my god. Multiplier value. There we go. Now it should work. Enough of those errors. It's dumb mistakes. What? By dot activated connect function. What is going on? Oh my god. It's backwards. It's supposed to be cache dot value. Bang bang. And then molt dot cost dot value. Oh my god, bro. I swear, if this doesn't work, which it should. Okay, there we go. Oh wait, whoops. It's just going up by 1. It has to be multiplier value dot value. There we go. So now, oh whoops. That multipliers dot value in the leaderstats is supposed to be 1. So now it should work. Yeah, there we go. There we go. There we go, it works. And as you can see, when I click this one, then it will take away 50 and it will add to my count. And it does the same for the third one and however many you add. And that's how you make a functioning clicker game in Roblox Studio. I'll see you guys in the next video.